What's up guys, today I am so excited because today I have a Vivo new smartphone Vivo X50 and today we are doing a durability of Vivo X50. Can this phone survive a band test or flame test like my other videos? So let's start this. Open the box. The box is ultimate packing. The X50. Start the phone and the other accessory of phone like charger, cover and headphone. The phone is very slim and very lightweight. Can this phone survive a vent test? Let's see in the video. The phone is on. First we are doing a scratch test. Let's start it. First I start with this panel. From back panel with this tool. I have a very tight scratch but no scratch on the back panel. The back panel is very good quality. Let's start with another tool. Yes guys, the back panel is very good quality. It's made with glass. Let's start more with more force scratches. Another tool. You can see a slightly scratches. The phone quality is very good. You can see here the scratches. Now start with front glass. First I remove plastic film from it. Let's start with this tool. Yes guys, the phone is good quality. With another tool, you can slightly see hair scratch. It's very minor scratches. The phone quality is very awesome. Now search the sidebar. You can see here I use with another tool for scratches. No guys, phone quality is very good. I scratch with more force, but I can't put the scratch on the screen. Let's do it flame test. Let's start the guys flame test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The screen is slightly hot. First time I can't see the black hair. Now start I with another time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. I think I wrong counting. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The phone quality is very good. It survived a flame test. Now guys, we are doing a bend test. Can this phone survive a bend test? Let's start it. I bend from a middle phone. From the middle, let's start it. Guys, I force on the mobile fully, but it can't bend. It's slightly bent. You can see from the here. Yeah guys, this phone is tough, good quality. You can see from the here, phone little bit bent. Now I frame the other side. Can this phone bend? No guys, this phone is a very tough. Yeah guys. The phone quality is very good. The phone is passed durability test. If you like this video, so subscribe the channel, like the video and share the channel and comment below. If you want more video like this, comment in the video. Thank you guys. Guys, one more thing. One thing is pending. We can't test a in-display fingerprint sensor. Now we can try durability of in-display fingerprint sensor. First we scratch with this tool. How much tough, how much quality, not tough, how quality of in-display fingerprint sensor. I scratch on it, on area of where the in-display fingerprint sensor, but I can't. Now with another tool. So guys, now I trying a flame test of in-display fingerprint sensor. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can this phone be open? My thumb is burned. Sorry, yaar. Let's try another time. Next time. Yeah, this fingerprint display is working. Let's one more time. Yeah, guys. Then display fingerprint quality is very ultimate. Let's see another time. Thank you, guys. If you like this video, so please like the video and share the video. Thank you, guys.